Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka Southern Border Sports Association karab khandai tregonai lur arajar arpusan klub Pyrda ke Lempung kai football kebelatip kom ke second football league tournament arajar arpusan melapen long hambaran balat Southwest Khasi Hills District hagan ke Lempung lai shimbenta kumbalai pu artli kikin hon mat hagan ke sngisdang ka jingle kai long hapadeng ka umpung SC persya ka balat hakabaka balat klalaan pelim no ka umpung dalai gola not yagan ke Lempung kai la Pyrda duba Skingford Nongbri harengkat kajian lang uba Narayan Thongni ubulong secretary jongga Southern Border Sports Association bat kiwe hakan igasngi lapun kubrom ru ikilaingut ki referee ki bikin thop uba directors imle uba ban sharai Thongni badi uba Willie Stone Marak ki blayo kajing itho bad kalaisen hak level 8 naga Migilai Football Association ya ka Southern Border Sports Association kalapha pulikhnang ba ka association kandubyo yiginong penyai football ki bidahi na pork association
Jengi dan genjat jaga bol di ketat barok yin subha banya thapti. So, boleh sebut.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.